Merry Christmas. I have an actual experiment video today. An actual experiment, believe it or not. I want to see how far away you need to be from at least 1 pound of Tannerite. I want to see how far away you need to be safely away from it. So what I'm going to do with these bottles of water here, I'm going to have Tannerite sitting here, I'm going to have a bottle sitting here, and if it explodes the bottle, I'll know it's deadly. And then the next pound that I'm going to shoot, the Tannerite will be here and the bottle will be a little further away every single time. What I'm going to be using to detonate this Tannerite today with is my Winchester XPR. It's my 30-06. It's fancy. Oh, should take the cover off. It's fun, fancy. I have a Vortex. Wow, I have a Vortex Diamondback optic on there. It's a 6 to 12 times zoom, or 5. I get 4 to 12 times zoom. Shows how much I know. You see the milk jug from there?
I can.
Alright, well, I mean, this is probably pretty deadly. Okay, we should go check out the damage. Isn't that a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Yep. Huh. Yeah, it's still standing. Interesting, because it did that. Which is a lot, but it didn't do anything to that. Huh.
You want me to go stand there?
I don't think that'd be a good idea if you stood here. I feel like that'd be bad.
Obviously I can though.
Clearly, yeah, you can. Totally. Okay, see, I thought that was going to destroy the milk jug, to be honest. I really thought that was going to destroy it. Okay, maybe a foot closer. Huh.
If I don't succeed on
I
the
will
first
try
three.
again. Put it on the ground with it. So then it's on the same level. Because, like, it was higher than it. Like, it definitely would have felt the shockwave. But, like...
I felt it.
Like, yeah. But, like, I thought that would have blown it up. Maybe I should cram nails in this next time. What?
It's because it's plastic.
But it's thin plastic.
You tell Trudeau that. I'm not supposed to say his
I might
name.
leave that in there.
I'm not supposed to
I
say
might
his
leave
name.
that in there.
Whoops.
I won't just cut it, I'll just beep it.
Okay.
That guy, what a scumbag. That's interesting. Like, that makes me... It makes me feel like I could stand next to it and be safe. But you see what they do to washers and dryers.
Don't try it at home.
Yeah, try it out on Crown land or at a registered range where you're allowed to do this stuff. Interesting. That makes me feel confident for skeet shooting, you know? Wrap one up in tape, throw it up, and...
Bang!
The one on the right's 2 feet away. The one on the left is 3 feet away. I wonder if the shockwave is going to at least bust open a bottle. You good?
Yep.
All right. It's cool stuff, huh?
One's still standing. The one on the left is for sure.
That's the one that was a little further away.
Oh,
Yeah, maybe.
science. Call us Bill Nye, but
Yeah, we're not Bill Nye. We're more like Neil deGrasse Tyson.
I don't know who that is.
Oh, my skin complexion matches his.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Okay, interesting. Here we go. Yeah, see, it's leaking. And that's just from, I'm assuming, the shock. It wasn't. Look at that. That's not a shockwave thing. That's a piece of wood went straight through it. Yeah, a piece of wood must have gone through it. So like the shockwave didn't break the bottle. Interesting. Well, the shockwave didn't wreck it. A piece of wood went straight through it and made it leak. Yeah, it was shrapnel, technically.
Yep,
Yep.
that's what happened.
That is what happens. This poor log. We're gonna destroy this whole thing, aren't we? Oh, geez, look at this one. And that is why... that is why you don't want to be in, like, So, you see action movies where, like, wood's flying, splinters happening, they're being shot in a house, and wood's going all the way around them. Them guys are getting splinters. That's for sure. Okay, so, interesting. I'm going to up it to 2 pounds. That's really interesting. This is going to be actually an interesting video. I'm glad I made it. To be honest, this makes me feel even safer around this stuff.
But please don't stand by it.
Yeah, don't stand by it. Don't actually stand by it. That's why we're about 70 yards away. And like, I'm not putting it inside of anything. When an explosion's contained inside of something like a washer or dryer, the explosion's actually much bigger.
Why?
Because it needs to get out.
We have jugs of milk, not bags of milk like you Ontario inns. Oh, I can see that.
You're good with that?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
You ready?
Wait. Yes.
Yeah?
There was a puppy.
That sounded like a dog.
Yeah.
Like a dog, not... Okay, well... Whatever. One of the jugs is gone.
Yeah, I see that. I think I seen plastic.
Here, let me take this for a walk. That was cool. Huh. Look at all the little dents. I don't know if you can see them or not. Yeah, there they are. It's from wood being stabbed into it. All the splinters. And that was 2 pounds. Interesting. And these guys didn't even get touched. This one was the low one from before, but it was just that one. Huh. Huh. Interesting. If you're a jug and you're next to even 2 pounds of Tannerite, you're basically safe.
But don't do it.
Don't do it. Like, don't actually do it yourself. You're not a water jug, okay? As much as you want to identify as a water jug, you're not a water jug, okay? You're more like a paper box juice bottle sort of thing.
Which we have.
Which we have, yeah, actually. for that time that they weren't selling water bottles.
You could get yourself a...
You could get yourself a paper bottle juice box sort of thing.
And what do you and your family do to cut back on plastics?
This is exactly why we are taking the time over the coming year to analyze based on science and data. We have recently switched to drinking water bottles out of when we have water bottles out of a plastic, away from plastic towards paper, like drink box water bottles sort of thing.
No! The name of the water!
Oh.
You could have got yourself a...
You could have got yourself a big old heavy flow.
Are you gonna put that in?
Yeah. Whew. So much running. All right, so this is 3.5 pounds. This is kind of the grand finale for today. You see everything?
Yep.
Oh, you're good. Oh, I missed it.
Oh, no.
Yeah, no freaking way. So there's 3.5 pounds down there. My 30-06. We are going to destroy all those bottles this time. Did you feel that?
I did.
I think I pissed off a squirrel.
Or two.
Or two. Okay. Let's go check out the damage.
It was a really cool shot.
I know, I'm just such a good shot.
No, I was talking about me.
Okay, yeah, sure. It was probably pretty good. Oh, the smell. I love it. Smells like good old Canadian freedom. Yeah, got that one. Big old hole. Holy. Holy. I'm just gonna pick this stuff up so I don't have to later. Oh yeah, no, that split it. That's from concussive force. Dang, that's all it did. It just took the bark away. Cool. Maybe one day I'll see if I can't chop this log in half with it. This is where the bullet went into. I might be able to find that if I actually dug. Okay, so it turns out it takes about 3.5 pounds to completely destroy stuff from a foot away. Dang. Okay, well, did you have fun? Yeah? Okay. Well, all right. I think I'm done here for now. Consider subscribing. That was a lot of fun. That was interesting. That was really interesting. We destroyed the log, but like, it took some effort to destroy some bottles.
You could get yourself a...
You could get yourself a paper bottle juice box sort of thing.